welcome to MPBL 2026 Abra versus Basilan. And ball possession for Team Abra. Ganda ng ikot. Bounce pass, Ildefonso. Da-drive sa gilid. Ildefonso. Sumisigsag, post up. Sa gitna, Ildefonso to Ildefonso to Ildefonso ulit. Ildefonso pa rin. Bang! First break. Ball possession for Basilan. Gammad, the receiver. Gammad. Bounce pass. Attacks inside. Rejected. That was good block. Clear block. Ayon. Cross pass. Spinning. Nakalusot. Reverse layup. Grabing bomba yun. Wilson. 4-3. Bang! Wilson. Ayon. Para sa Team Abra. Ildefonso sa 3. No. Off the target. And the pass. Cross pass. Wilson again for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Wilson. Ildefonso. Pass to the middle. Ayon. Ngayon. Susubok sa 3. Bang! The answer. Ayon na. Makon. Pass to Gammad. Gammad bounce pass. Wilson na naman. Score pa rin lahat ni Wilson niya. Ayon. Pass to Ildefonso. Ayon 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Ayon. And Makon. Signaling the play. Sa gitna, Gammad. Pass back. Mokon goes to the screen. Bounce pass. Lays it up off the glass. Sumakyat yung bola. For Team Abra. Now ayon. Looking for the receiver. Batino. Kicks out sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Sa corner. Spins. Bounce pass. Batino. Susubok sa 2. Bullseye. Mokon. Sa gitna. Mr. Spidey. Mokon 4-3. Bang! Mokon. Yanon. Pass to Ildefonso. Sa gitna. Spins. Step back. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. And here we go, Team Basilan. Cruz. Hamon. Bounce pass. Corner 2. Bullseye. Figueroa. Batino. And attacks. High step. Boy! Lusot na lusot. Rebound for Team Abra. Figueroa. Kicks out, Molina. Another kicks out, Figueroa. Corner, 4-3. No. Mactalio. Atake, pinasa. Bullseye. Molina. Against Mactalio, lumusot. Oh, basket and 1. Team Basilan. Montano. Mactalio. Stops, kicks out. Fakes. Lays. Bullseye. Basket's good. And 25-21 score natin. Figueroa. Drives. Inside pass. Second quarter action here. Mactalio. Pasa up, pinato sa likod. Uy, grabe ka naman, Figueroa. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Figueroa. Poposte dito. De Los Reyes, bullseye. Mactalio. Against Figueroa. Montano. Hamon. Hamon against Figueroa. Iniwan sa 3. Bang! Hamon. Magtalyo behind the back pass. Montano. Bullseye. Connect. Backdoor inbound. Uy, sakto yung pasa. Ang ganda namang play. Ang gandang pasa. Hamon. Umiscreen. Cruz the receiver. Cruz. Cruz against Los Reyes. Babangga. Hindi may tulak for Trey. Bang! And ball possession for Basilan. Fires. No. Rebound Ildefonso. The pass. Pass back. Ildefonso inside pass. Hook shot. Bullseye. Bola para sa Team Basilan. And the pass. Wilson. Di diskarte. Bounce pass. Pinasa sa kalaban. Pass break. All alone. Easy bucket lace. And Wilson bounce pass. Top shot of the window. That's good. Ildefonso sa loob. Oh, grabe yung bullseye de Los Reyes. Ito ng Team Basilan. Hook pass sa gitna. Wilson. Picks. Bounce pass. Posting up against De Los Reyes. Hook shot short. And it's number 21 sa gitna. Oh, bog! Sinausaw boy. Endel. The pass. Ayon. Attacks. Oh, to. Grabing pasang. Gandang pasa nun. Here's Team Basilan. Nakalusot. Side step. Lefty shot. Basket's good. Ayon. Ildefonso. Pull up jumper. Basket's good. Cometa. Sa gitna. Wilson. Inside pass. Natapikan. Recover sa 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net.
John